Are they?
Light
Light
reaction.
reaction, dark reaction.
Light reaction and dark reaction. Very good. Light reaction is takes place in a
Grana and stroma thylakoids.
very good. The light reaction is takes place in a grana and stroma thylakoids. Grana and stroma thylakoids. Right. The grana thylakoids means is it visible clearly? This diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, here this is one grana in chloroplast organelle, stroma region. So these are the thylakoids arranged one above the other. Grana, right. Next, the stroma thylakoids. The stroma thylakoids are stroma lamellae. In thylakoid membranes, the light reaction is takes place in a
Membrane system.
Yes, very good. Membranous systems. So light is absorbed by the chlorophyll pigments. Already know you have learned where the chlorophyll pigments are located. The chlorophyll pigments are
Thylakoids.
very good. The chlorophyll pigments are located in thylakoids, present in grana and stroma. Right. So the chlorophyll pigments absorbs the light reaction and involved in the chlorophyll pigments, the photosynthetic pigments. How many types of photosynthetic pigments are there in higher
Four
plants?
types.
Very good. Already
Four
knowledge
types.
of the types of photosynthetic pigments in higher planes. Four types are there. Four types of photosynthetic pigments are there in higher planes. What are they?
Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, keratin,
Very good.
and
Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, and carotenoids. Right. So photosynthetic pigments absorbs the light energy and involved in light reaction. The light reaction is takes place in membranous systems, grana thylakoid membranes and stroma thylakoid membranes. How many steps are there in the light reaction?
4 steps.
four
Very good.
steps.
Four steps are there. Right. So absorption of light energy by chlorophyll pigments.
Splitting of water.
Is the splitting of
Splitting of
water
water.
molecules, to form oxygen, right? ATP, formation of ATP and NADPH.
ADP. Electron transport.
Electrons are transferred from one complex to the another complex. Right. So in light reaction, how many types of photosystems are there in thylakoids? Grana
Two,
thylakoids.
two
Types.
types.
Two types.
Two types.
Two types of photosystems. What are they?
PS1 and
System
PS2.
1 and photosystem.
Very good.
PS1 and PS2.
PS1 and PS2. Each photosystem is consists of how many parts?
Two
Two.
parts.
Two parts. What are they?
LHC and RC.
RC.
Very good. LHC and RC.
RC.
What is the full form of LHC?
Light harvesting.
Light
Light
harvesting
harvesting
complex.
complex.
Very good. Light harvesting complex. Light harvesting complex, and the second one is the reaction center.
Reaction center.
Very good. Each photosystem is consists of two parts. One is LHC, and the second one is the RC. What are the complexes present in thylakoid membranes? Grana thylakoid membranes. Photosystem 1, photosystem 2.
Plastoquinone.
Very good.
Plastoquinone,
Plastoquinone,
plastocyanin,
Plastoquinone, plastocyanin. So some of the complexes are
cytochrome B6F complex.
very good.
cytochrome B.
F complex.
OEC.
Cytochrome.
OEC, oxygen equivalent complex.
Very good. OEC. So several complexes are involved in light reaction of a photosynthesis process. Okay, first of all, we have to draw the diagram. The electron transport system. PS2, PS1. So this is a photosystem 2. So two types of photosystems are there in a granathylakoids. Photosystem 1 and
Photosystem 2.
photosystem 2. In the granathylakoid membranes. Right, this is a photosystem 1, photosystem 2. So during the light reaction, light energy is absorbed by the photosynthetic pigments, releases electrons. The electrons are moved from one complex to the another complex. The transfer of electrons from one complex to another complex is known as electron transport system. The electrons are transferred from one complex to the another complex. So that's called as electron transport system. Which are synthesized in a final link in electron transport system.
ATP.
Product.
Adenosine triphosphate.
ATP and
NADPH.
NADP.
NADPH. Yes. Okay, have you drawn this schematic representation?
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Electron acceptor. This photosystem 2. Light harvesting complex of photosystem 2. Electron acceptor. Right. And this is about the photosystem 1. The schematic representation. Light harvesting complex of photosystem 1. And electron acceptor of photosystem 1. Right here, NADP plus oxidized form of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. What is the full form of NADP plus? NADP.
Nicotinamide.
Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate.
Dinucleotide phosphate.
NADPH.
Nicotinamide adenine.
Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen.
Dinucleotide phosphate.
Yes. So reduced form of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay. So what are the steps in light reaction? First of all, light energy is absorbed by the photosystem, light harvesting complex of a photosystem 2. In each photosystem, two parts are there. No, what are they? One is the light harvesting complex, and second one is the
Reacting center.
reaction center. Very good. So, what is the reaction center in photosystem 2?
P680.
Photosystem. The reaction center is P 680 or 700.
P6.
Very good. P680 reaction center. In reaction center photosystem, one is
Sir, P700.
P700. P700.
P700. No need to write these the reaction centers. Right, already you know the reaction, the complexes which are present in thylakoid membranes of grana. Light harvest, each photosystem is consist of a light harvesting complex, reaction center. So this is a light harvesting complex of photosystem 2, reaction center of photosystem 2, and photosystem 1, light harvesting complex, reaction center. Right. So first of all, during the light reaction, light energy is absorbed by the light harvesting complex. What is the composition of the light harvesting complex or antenna? The light harvesting complex.
And carotenoids.
Yes, that consists of the photosynthetic pigments. Is first of all, the photosynthetic pigments of light harvesting complex absorbs the light energy. The absorbed light energy is further transferred to the reaction center. Very good. Then reaction center is emits electrons,
Fighting.
releases electrons into the surrounding medium. Right. Electrons are accepted by the electron acceptor.
Fear fighting.
Very good. So what is the
Maybe with
electron
we are fighting.
acceptor in photosystem 2? Pheophytin is the electron acceptor in photosystem 2. Right. Electrons are released now from the reaction center of photosystem 2. Right. The electrons are transferred to the reaction center to which
We are
one?
fighting.
Fear
Pheophytin.
fighting.
Now the pheophytin to the various complexes, and the received later the received by the light harvesting complex means here the reaction center of
Photosystem 2.
reaction center of photosystem reaction
Two.
center of a photosystem 1 or 2.
1.
One.
One. Now the electrons are transferred from reaction center of photosystem 1 to
Ferredaxin.
that's
Reduction.
Ferredaxin, electron acceptors, and finally transferred the
NADP.
Ferredaxin to
NADP plus.
NADP plus. So NADP plus is accept electrons from ferredaxin and protons from stroma region of chloroplast.
Stroma.
The electrons from ferredaxin, NADP is the final electron acceptor in the light reaction of photosynthesis. If the two complexes are involved in light reaction, if both photosystem 1 and 2 are involved in light reaction, then the final electron acceptor is, which is the final electron acceptor? NADP plus is the final electron acceptor in light reaction of photosynthesis whenever the two types of photosystems are involved. Right. NADP is becoming to
NADPH.
NADPH.
Very good. So NADPH is formed now. NADPH.
Yes, sir.
NADPH formation. Finally, ATP formation. The ATP and NADPH are synthesized in a light reaction of a photosynthesis. Light reaction of photosynthesis if two types of photosystems are involved. If photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 are involved in light reaction, then so these photosystems are involved in the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. So this process takes place continuously. The further electrons provided by the OEC complex, where the OEC is located, already have learned
Lumen.
about that complex, the location of OEC. Very good.
Lumen.
Thylakoids.
The OEC is present in a lumen of thylakoid. What is the function of OEC? That is involved in
Formation.
OEC involved in splitting
Water
of
molecule.
water molecules. Splitting of water molecules to form protons, electrons, and oxygen. Right. So the electrons in this process, electrons are released. The released electrons are provided to the reaction center of a photosystem 2. OEC is associated with the photosystem 2 or 1?
2.
2.
Oh, very good. 2. But OEC is associated with the photosystem 2. The function of OEC is
Formation
Splitting of water.
water molecules.
splitting of water
Splitting of
molecules.
water molecules.
Very good. Splitting of water molecules to form protons, electrons, and
Water. Oxygen.
oxygen. Right. So this continuous electron, for the electron transport system, electron supply is needed. The further electrons provided by the OEC complex, the OEC is involved in splitting of water molecules to form protons, electrons, and oxygen. Suppose if the two water molecules splitting takes place, two water molecules splitting takes place.
4H plus.
Water molecules splitting, two protons, two electrons, and O2. If two protons split, two water molecules splitting takes place by the OEC complex, how many protons are liberated?
4 protons.
4H plus.
Very good. 4
4
protons,
protons, 4 electrons,
4H
4 electrons,
oxygen.
1 O2.
and 1 O2. Write the equations. The OEC function also important for objective point of view. Right, OEC is involved in, already know the complexes present in the thylakoid membrane, involved in the light reaction of photosynthesis. OEC, one of the complex involved in splitting of water molecules to form protons, electrons, and oxygen. If OEC splits one water molecules, that forms the two protons, two electrons, and oxygen. If the OECs break down the two water molecules, then the 4 protons, 4 electrons, and oxygen. One oxygen formation takes place. If 10 water molecules splitting takes place, 10 water molecules splitting.
Proton.
20 H plus 20 electrons, 10 O2.
Very good. For each water molecule, 2 protons. 10 water molecules splitting is 20
20
protons,
20
20
electrons.
electrons. Okay, right. That's 20 oxygen.
And
Have you written this in one water molecule splitting, that equation, and write another one, two water molecules splitting. So these two enough. Don't write the 10 or remove. The more number of water molecules splitting. So which complex is involved in splitting of water molecules in light reaction of photosynthesis? OEC. So regarding this, in objective point of view, the function of, based on the function of OEC in the objective point of view, whether it is KCET or a NEET examination, which of the complex is involved in the splitting of water molecules in light reaction of photosynthesis? Option 1 is LHC, light harvesting complex. Option 2 is reaction center. Option 3 is OEC. Option 4 is all of them. What is the answer?
Option 3 OEC.
Option 3 OCE. OEC.
Count the following.
Option 3 OEC.
OEC. Which of the following complex is involved in splitting of water molecules? OEC. Very good. Third option is the correct answer. OEC is associated with option 1 is
Photosystem 2.
photosystem 1. Very good. Option 2 is photosystem 2. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 4, ferridaxin. OEC, I repeat the question. OEC
second option.
is very good.
Second option.
Photosystem 2. Ferridaxin is associated with. Then what is the answer?
Photosystem 1.
System 1.
Very good. Option 1, photosystem. Have you written this? The splitting of water molecule? Splitting of water molecules. The splitting of water molecules. In the present here, to split water molecules, the light energy is required. Light energy is received by the which complex of photosystem 2? First of all,
LHC.
LHC or RC?
LHC.
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 After
right.
RC.
The certain is after that light harvesting complex is transferred energy to the reaction center. Yes, RC. Some amount of the light energy is received by the OEC complex. Okay. This light energy is used for splitting of water molecules. So water molecules splitting is by which complex? OEC complex. Light energy is utilized or not?
Utilized, sir.
Break down the water molecule.
Utilized.
Utilized. Hence that is called as the photolysis of water. Lysis means breakdown, splitting. Here photons, light energy is utilized. The light energy is utilized. Light energy is utilized for the splitting of the water molecule. Okay, now, do you have any doubts regarding this? Light energy is received by light harvesting complex. The received light energy is supplied to the reaction center and also to OEC. The OEC complex is involved in splitting of water molecules to form protons, electrons, and oxygen. Do you have any doubts regarding?
Sir, so what it is called, sir? Repeat.
It's called as the photolysis of water. The photolysis. Photon means light. Lysis means splitting, breakdown.
After absorb
Sir, thank you.
energy,
Yes. After absorption, light energy.
both this photolysis of water and electron transport takes.
Yes, simultaneously takes place. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
If two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction, which are formed?
NADPH and ATP.
ATP, NADPH, and
Oxygen, sir.
oxygen.
Oxygen.
If both types of photosystems are involved in light reaction, the ATP, NADPH, and oxygens are formed. Two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction of photosynthesis that produces the ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. So, which are the End products of light reaction if two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction. The end products of light reaction, two types of photosystems are involved. Option 1 is ATP only. Option 2 is NADPH only. Option 3 is oxygen only. Option 4 is all of them.
All of the above.
What is the answer?
Fourth option, sir.
Very good.
Fourth option.
Fourth option is correct answer. All of them. Right. Have you written? Have you highlighted that light reaction?
Sir, how
The
electrons are
photosynthesis.
reaction center of
If
photo?
two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction of photosynthesis, what are formed? ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. All are formed. Right. What's your doubt now?
Sir, how electrons are synthesized in reaction center of photosystem too, sir?
Electrons synthesized.
Yes, sir.
Electrons in chlorophyll pigments molecule. Electrons are present now. That's chlorophyll is the one of the photosynthetic pigment. Chlorophyll pigments. So inside the chlorophyll pigments, the electrons are present. Whenever it receives the light energy, then it emits. The chlorophyll pigment is excited. Then it releases electrons into the surrounding medium. Initially, they are present inside of the chlorophyll pigment. Whenever it receives the light energy, then the chlorophyll pigment first the light energy is received by LHC, then it's transferred to the reaction center. Whenever the reaction center receives the light energy, then it releases electrons into the surrounding medium. Is it clear?
Sir, electrons will not empty in chlorophyll.
Electrons present in chlorophyll pigments. Photosynthetic pigments present in the electrons are present when when the chlorophyll pigments receives the light energy, then it releases electrons into the surrounding medium.
Sir, thus they will not become empty, sir.
Now, due to loss of the electrons, it comes to the normal position. Some of the electrons, is it clear?
Sir, if they continuously emit means electrons will not become empty, sir, in chlorophyll.
Now, further electrons provided by the splitting of water molecules. No. Further, to continue this process, the electrons are supplied by the OEC complex. Further electrons are provided.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So, what are the end products of light reaction if both two types of photosystems are involved? ATP,
Oxygen, ATP, and NADP.
oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. If two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction of a photosynthesis. So this resemble, if two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction, it's resemble the electrons movement appears like the electrons are transferred from reaction center to the
Uphill movement.
electron acceptor in upward direction. Later, electron acceptor to the
Downing.
down. Yes. Up to the reaction center.
PS.
Yes. Now the electrons are transferred from reaction center to towards the ferridaxin.
Pyridoxine.
Towards the ferridaxin. This electron movement schematic representation is appears like as the Z shape. Z shape. How it's resemble the movement of electrons from reaction center of the photosystem 2 to electron acceptor. Electron acceptor of photosystem 2 to the reaction center of the photosystem 1. The reaction center of photosystem 1 to the electron acceptor of photosystem 1. Okay, so this the electrons movement, the flow of electrons from reaction center of photosystem 2 to ferridaxin of photosystem 1. That's schematic representation is appears like as the Z shape. Hence, that is called as the Z scheme. Z scheme, how it's resemble in thylakoid membranes, in the grana thylakoid membranes, the electrons movement from reaction center of the photosystem 2 to the ferridaxin of the photosystem 1. The electrons movement is resemble, appears like a Z shape, hence it's called as the Z scheme. Do you have any doubts regarding this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how the electron movement is appears from reaction center of photosystem 2 to ferridaxin of photosystem 1?
Z shape.
Is it Z shape? Z shape or L shape or O shape? What is the answer?
Z shape.
Z shape.
Electrons movement Z shape. If two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction of photosynthesis. So now we have to know about the photophosphorylation, the non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic what is phosphorylation? Phosphorylation. What is phosphorylation? The synthesis of ATP molecule is called phosphorylation.
In presence of
The
light energy.
synthesis of ATP molecules in the presence of light energy. In the presence of light energy, that's called as photophosphorylation. Phosphorylation means the synthesis of ATP molecules. Photophosphorylation means the ATP molecule is synthesized in the presence of light energy. The how many cell organelles are synthesized the ATP molecules? Already we have discussed about that concept.
Two.
How many
Chloroplast and
cells are
mitochondria.
involved in the synthesis of ATP molecules? Chloroplast and very good.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Chloroplast and mitochondria. In chloroplast cell organelle, the ATP is synthesized in the presence of light energy. The presence of a light energy. So light energy is received by the photosynthetic pigments. The photosynthetic pigments reaction center of photosynthetic pigment releases electrons. Then electrons are moved from one complex to another complex. While transportation of the electrons to the ATP molecule synthesis takes place. So synthesis of ATP in the presence of light energy is called as the photophosphorylation. So photophosphorylation takes place in which cell organelle?
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Photophosphorylation.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Option 1 is mitochondria. Option 2 is chloroplast. Option 3 is 1 and 2.
Sir, dictate that spelling, sir, not visible.
Option 4 is the nucleus. So this one,
Sir,
Praveen.
photophosphorylation.
Phosphorylation.
Photophosphorylation. PHUO, PHUO, yes, PHUO, RY, LA, TION. Photophosphorylation.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, and what is that non-cyclic?
Non-cyclic, okay, that we will discuss now. Here the electrons are moved from, if two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction. Two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction. So first of all, light energy is received by light harvesting complex now. Then light energy is transferred to the reaction center. Reaction center. So reaction center is releases electrons now.
Yes, sir.
The electrons are transferred from one complex to the another complex. So the electrons are moves in a non-cyclic manner. Non-cyclic manner. So in this jet scheme, the jet scheme of schematic representation, the electrons are moves in a non-cyclic manner. Non-cyclic, not in a cyclic manner. If electrons are moves in this direction, electrons are moves in this direction, it's cyclic manner. Whereas in this, when two types of the photosystems are involved in light reaction, then electrons are moved in a non-cyclic manner. If one type of photosystem only involved in light reaction, then electrons are moved in a cyclic manner. Okay? Is it clear? Non-cyclic and cyclic. So in the two types of photophosphorylations are takes place. One is non-cyclic, means two types of photosystems are involved in light reaction to synthesize ATP molecules. That is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation.
Sir, means photosystem 1 and photosystem belongs to non-cyclic, no, sir?
Photosystem 1 and 2.
2 are belongs to non-cyclic or cyclic, sir?
Both non-cyclic. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, both are involved in non-cyclic, the photophosphorylation.
Sir, if they are involved together, then that is cyclic.
If both are involved, that's non-cyclic. Only one is involved, that is cyclic photophosphorylation.
Means only photosystem 1 is cyclic. If both are involved, then non-cyclic, sir?
Yes, no. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Photophosphorylation. What is photophosphorylation? Phosphorylation means what is the meaning of phosphorylation? Synthesis of ATP molecule. Photophosphorylation means the ATP molecule is synthesized in the presence of the light energy. Is called photophosphorylation. So the ATP is synthesized in a non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, two types of photosystems are involved. Whereas in cyclic photophosphorylation,
One type of
one
photosystem.
type of photosystem is involved. That concept.
Sir, now ATP is found from non-cyclic photophosphorylation or cyclic photophosphorylation, sir?
In both process, ATP is synthesized.
Sir, in both the
ATP
process, ATP is formed, sir?
Yes, no, in both the processes. ATP.
Sir, ADP is formed from PS2 to PS2, no sir? ADP.
ADP na?
Yes, sir.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
ADP is the full form is adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine is formed by the adenine and sugar nitrogen base. Adenine is combined with the sugar to form adenosine. Adenosine is combined with one inorganic phosphate. Adenosine is combined with one inorganic phosphate that forms the AMP, adenosine monophosphate. The adenosine monophosphate combined with one inorganic phosphate to form ADP, adenosine diphosphate. The adenosine diphosphate is combined with one inorganic phosphate that forms ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine, how the adenosine monophosphate is formed? AMP, ADP, ATP. AMP is adenosine monophosphate. ADP, adenosine diphosphate. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir, adenine plus sugar, what's the formation?
Adenine plus sugar forms the adenosine. Adenine is one of the nitrogen base. Adenine is combined with the sugar to form adenosine. If adenosine during formation of ATP, these are the steps involved. Adenosine is combined with adenine combined with sugar to form adenosine. Adenosine is combined with one inorganic phosphate to form adenosine monophosphate. The adenosine monophosphate is combined with the inorganic phosphate to form ADP. So during this process, light reaction, the ADP is combined with the inorganic phosphate to form a ATP molecule, adenosine triphosphate. So it takes place in the presence of light energy during electron transport system. Right. So these steps, non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation. So in detail concept we will discuss in next class. So do you have any doubts regarding this today's session? Please.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts.
Oh.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
you're welcome.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, Anna, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, Anna, you're welcome. Bye bye.
So portions is up to here.
Yes, Nana, Pramara?
So portions for test. So this
Yes, it's also included till the synthesis of ATP.
is
In detail concept is there, how the finally ATP molecule is synthesized. Light reaction is included 4 steps now. Absorption of light energy and the splitting of water molecules, the formation of oxygen, ATP and NADPH. It's not till end of the light reaction, means the synthesis of chemi-osmotic synthesis of ATP. One more
Yes.
class is required to be completed. Okay, na? Is it clear?
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.